Greetings guys, I welcome you in this wonderful video. So I'm just gonna be sharing with you some few reasons why I recommend scalping synergic indices than swing trading them or maybe holding your trades for long. So what happens here is that usually what I've observed is that the market, when it is creating waves, when it is forming waves, highs and lows and whatsoever, usually it doesn't form them in the way that it does on the currency market or the stock market. Usually here what happens is that some of the levels or some of the market behaviors, they are not reliable. So for an example, let me just throw a question to you. Let's say you're analyzing this market and you see that, okay, the market is going down. It is moving all the way down. I'm just illustrating, this is not a trend line. I'm just showing you it's going all the way down. And then when it's going all the way down, you're trying to spot your selling opportunities. Maybe let's say you try to analyze that first one, and maybe let's say you get it that there was a pattern and then the pattern was broken, and then you enter your market. And then now here we go to the second wave that I need to pay attention into. The market starts to correct. It goes all the way up, and then it starts another wave which might look like a beginning of an impulsive wave to you. Why? Because this pattern was broken here, this upward flow was broken, but all of a sudden, let's say maybe you decide to sell here, and then the market turns and goes against you, and it kicks you out of the market. And again, you reassess and you say, okay, what if maybe this one is the right wave? And you enter, and let's say maybe now the market moves on your favor. But another person can say, okay, what if I can look this in this bigger wave and say, okay, I'm taking this entire big wave as my corrective. I'm taking this big wave as my corrective, and I enter somewhere here as a very long selling opportunity. You enter here, and then all of a sudden the market goes against you, and then it resumes again. So what should you do in those cases? So that's why I always say it's very better to always look at the market in a very limited or small point of view. For an example, you should be taking advantage of those highs of those corrective waves. Wow, that was bad. You will take advantage of the corrective waves as they form. Your focus shouldn't be on like going very long or holding your trades for long. But when the market allows you to hold your trades, or when the market works on your favor, then you should hold your trades. For an example, you should take this breakout as a sell, and again you should take this breakout as a sell. But when the market begins to correct, when the market begins to correct, and the correction or this move, it didn't come by surprise, you can see there was a slowdown of the seller's power, and again another confirmation. So then that's why you're gonna be closing your sales. And again, when this one is formed, again, that's why you're going to be entering and observe a decline in strength of the sellers, which was clear here when the market began to start going higher and higher. So then when you see this, you begin to close your trade and you reanalyze that wave again. My land doesn't want to appear. You reanalyze that wave again, and when that wave is broken, you re-enter. You observe for strength. Observe for strength. When you see strength declining, you again reanalyze. So that's how you should go about it. Stop focusing on saying, okay, I'm just gonna wait and take this trade like for a long move or whatsoever. What I say is that if the market allows you like to ride the wave for long, then go with it. But if you see some sign of decline in strength, like it happened here, then you should be paying attention and trying to close your trades. That's how you should do it, guys. You shouldn't just put yourself in a cage and saying, okay, I'm trying to catch that long move. It doesn't work like that. This market, it doesn't behave similar to the forex market, although there are some few similarities, but the way the structures are formed, it's different. So that was it, guys, for this video. Thank you for watching.